My advice is generally just to, expose yourself to as much as possible, to be, if you can get onto a set in any capacity, to be production assistant, to whatever, just to understand how that world works, to understand how people interact, to understand what's appropriate, what's the appropriate way to behave around a famous actor, or what do the crew do, because it's all about learning social dynamics. A large part of what I do is managing social dynamics. I'm trying to make a crew function to the best of their ability, and I'm trying to get an actor to feel comfortable and to function to the best of their ability. And that's what oftentimes I feel I'm just kind of controlling a flow of energy a little bit, is really what it is. Because it can derail quickly if someone comes in with the wrong attitude, or someone, something goes off, it can set everything. So so I think it's just learning about, what makes this work. And the only way to do that is to expose yourself to it.